You're alone orbiting the moon. No contact with Earth. Then a sound. Not static. Not interference. Just music. In 1969, Apollo 10 astronauts heard a strange, whistling tune on the far side of the moon. One asked, "Do you hear that? That whistling sound?" Another replied, "Sounds like space music." It played for minutes. Then silence. NASA called it radio interference, but there were no signals. And no other mission ever heard it again. The recordings, classified for decades. So was it a glitch, a hallucination, or something we're not supposed to know about? The moon doesn't play music. So what did they hear? Like, subscribe, and follow for more space mysteries.